Not sure how good you are? Take this test and find out now. When I get a new student, they generally fall into one of two camps. There are the people who say that they're beginners, but are actually a lot more advanced than that. And then there are the people who say they are intermediate and above, but are actually much closer to beginners. It is totally normal to not be sure about what level you're at, but knowing it can help you to focus on practicing the right things without wasting time on the wrong ones. And that'll help you to get better faster and avoid frustration. So first of all, I'm going to briefly talk you through the 4 levels that I use at My Online Harmonica School, which you can try out for free with a 14-day trial by clicking on the link in the description below. So, beginner. This is someone who has literally just started learning harmonica. They are working on playing clean notes, playing in time, good breathing, and sweet sounding chords. Advanced beginner. This is a bit further along, and they can definitely play clean notes and some bends. Intermediate. Further along. Can comfortably improvise using licks and root notes over a 12-bar blues, and is starting to sound bluesy. Advanced intermediate. They can always play in time. They have perfect bends and some other core blues techniques. I don't go any higher than that because I don't consider myself an advanced player. Let's start the quiz and see what level you are at. I'm going to start at advanced beginner, and I'm going to ask you 13 questions. And if you answer no to any of them, you are still a beginner. All right. Can you play perfectly clean single notes? Can you play a perfect 2-hole draw? Can you comfortably play quarter notes and eighth notes in time with a metronome or backing track? Have you tried bending before? Do you know the chord structure of a 12-bar blues? Can you do basic improvisation over a 12-bar blues? Do you know what a turnaround is? Can you chug with a shuffle rhythm? Have you tried warbling? Have you tried playing glissandos? Do you know what comping is? Can you bend the 4-draw? Have you tried playing inflections? If you answered no to any of those questions, you are a beginner. If you answered yes, then you may be an advanced beginner, or you might even be intermediate or advanced intermediate, but we have to keep going to find out. So let's do the intermediate level quiz. I'm now going to ask you 13 questions, and if you answer no to any of them, you're still an advanced beginner. Okay. Do you play consistently clean single notes? Can you play quarter notes, eighth notes, and triplets in time with a metronome or backing track easily? Can you hit a really good 4-draw bend straight on? Can you hit a really good 2-draw whole step bend straight on? Can you play a pretty good 3-draw half step bend? Do you know the difference between a straight and a shuffle rhythm? Do you play smooth and accurate warbles on blow and draw notes? Can you easily improvise over a 12-bar blues using root notes and licks? Can you play gently and relaxed? Are you happy improvising around a vamp? Do you know the blues scale in second position between holes 1 and 6? Can you play double stops? Can you play an unaccompanied 12-bar blues? Well done. So, as a reminder, if you answered no to any of those questions, you are an advanced beginner. If you answered yes, then you are an intermediate, or you might even be an advanced intermediate. We have to keep going to find out. Advanced Intermediate Level Quiz. I'm now going to ask you 12 questions, and if you answer no to any of them, you are still an intermediate. Can you play complex rhythms in time with a metronome or backing track? Can you play all the draw bends perfectly? Can you easily improvise over a 12-bar blues in second position? Do you know the 1, 4, and 5 chord arpeggios? Do you know the blues scale in second position? Do you know the major pentatonic scale in second position? Can you play tongue-blocked octaves, tongue splits? Can you play a box shuffle, boogie, and rumba bass line? Can you warble, double stop, chug, comp, glissando, and handwah really well? Are you comfortable playing a one-chord blues? Can you work out the key of a tune by ear? Can you play 16th notes? If you answered yes to all of those questions, then you are an advanced intermediate player. I don't teach advanced harmonica, so I don't teach a level up from advanced intermediate because I'm not an advanced player. But if you're not sure what an advanced player looks like, check out players like Jason Ritchie, Philip Jers, and Joe Falisco, among others. Now, if you're a beginner, advanced beginner, intermediate, or advanced intermediate, I can definitely help you to get to the next level at My Harmonica School, which you can try with a 14-day free trial by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy harping!